This generator is going for 100k, but you have a discount of 3,000 Ghana cedis. This generator powers almost every appliance in the house. The amazing aspect is that it's very silent. That is, it does not make noise. Automatically turns on when there's a power outage. DM me now for yours. As you can see, you are loaded onto the truck a client generator.
Maina, we're late. Let's get to work. We sold 1 unit. Originally, there were 2 units. This task might have to be done in a couple of days. Hence, we are eagerly anticipating our generator. There are further power cutbacks. Big generator today. We can open a store in Ghana. Secondly,